I'm going to show you how to make origami boxes to store small objects. This is archival paper. So the first thing to do is to cut it square and then fold it in half one way using your bone folder to mark, and then you fold it the other way as well in the middle. Mark the center of your paper. Then you're going to grab each corner and bring it to the center where you marked, you know, the cross. So this way, every corner. It doesn't have to be super perfect, but hopefully everything is aligned properly, so your box turns out square and pretty. So you score all the lines that you're folding. That will help the box to remain, you know, properly set up. So once you have all your corners towards the center and it's perfectly square, the next thing would be to make your walls. To do that, you will fold one edge towards the center this way, like right in the middle. Like this, and then you will bring the other half to the center as well. So it will look like this. You will open and do the same thing towards the other side. So you bend the edge to the center and score it, and then the other edge to the center as well. So you do exactly the same thing on both sides. Now you open it up, and then you will take two of the center corners out like this. And that's how you will make your first two walls. So you bring the sides that are close up like this, and then you will grab, and this is very easy to make because the marks are already there. So you will just bring the corners in and fold it such as the corner goes to the center again. And then the same on the other side. You bring this middle piece center and then fold the second wall. And voila, you have a little paper box. These origami boxes are very useful because they are an inexpensive alternative to metal edge boxes, and they are very easy to make, and they are very flexible as you can make them in different sizes and configurations.